Packing for a business trip can be stressful, but it doesn't have to be. Did you know that 50% of business travelers forget essential items, according to a survey by the Global Business Travel Association? That's a lot of unnecessary stress. Plus, overpacking can cost you. Extra baggage fees hit a record $5 billion in the US last year alone. In this guide, we're diving into the art of packing like a pro. From keeping your business attire wrinkle-free to ensuring you have all the tech gadgets you need, we've got you covered. We'll share some clever hacks and must-know tips that will save you time and hassle. Imagine showing up to your meeting looking sharp and ready, without a single crease in your suit. Or being able to breeze through airport security with ease because you packed smart. We'll also explore packing versatile outfits for after-hours fun and how to streamline your packing process. You'll learn secrets from seasoned travelers and find out why a simple packing list can be your best friend. Ready to pack smarter and travel better? Let's get started. 1. Suit up. The art of wrinkle-free business attire. Packing business attire without wrinkles is crucial for a professional appearance. Did you know that rolling your clothes can reduce wrinkles significantly? It's a trick many frequent travelers swear by. Start by laying your jacket flat, then fold it in half vertically. Roll it up from the bottom, ensuring it's smooth. According to a study by the American Hotel and Lodging Association, 68% of business travelers say wrinkle-free clothes make them feel more confident during meetings. Next, invest in garment bags. They are lifesavers for keeping suits and dresses in pristine condition. Use a thin, breathable one to protect your clothes from moisture and dust. Additionally, pack tissue paper between folds. It helps to maintain the fabric's shape and prevents creases. This technique is often recommended by fashion experts in The Packing Book by Judith Guilford. Don't forget about packing aids like foldable hangers. They are compact and fit perfectly in your luggage. When you reach your destination, hang your clothes immediately. If you find any wrinkles, hang them in the bathroom while you shower. The steam will help to smooth them out. This hack is supported by many travel blogs, including Nomadic Matte. For shirts, use collar stays to keep them crisp. Place a rolled-up belt inside your shirt collar to maintain its shape. A survey by Travel Plus Leisure found that 75% of business travelers consider a well-packed collar essential for their attire. Also, remember to button up shirts before packing to avoid crumpling. Another tip is to pack your shoes at the bottom of your suitcase. This balances the weight and prevents your clothes from shifting. Use shoe bags to keep them clean and separate. According to The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up by Marie Kondo, organized packing leads to less stress and a smoother trip. Lastly, keep a travel-size wrinkle releaser spray handy. It's a quick fix for minor wrinkles. Just spray, smooth, and let it dry. This product has been a game-changer for many professionals. 2. Tech essentials. Gadgets you can't leave behind. Traveling for business means staying connected and productive. Start with a portable charger. It's essential for keeping your devices powered up on the go. According to a report by Statista, 85% of business travelers carry one. Look for a high-capacity one with multiple ports. Next, pack a lightweight laptop. Choose one with a long battery life and fast processing speed. The MacBook Air and Dell XPS are popular choices among professionals. An interesting fact from a 2022 survey by PCMag reveals that 62% of business travelers prefer laptops over tablets for work. Don't forget noise-canceling headphones. They block out distractions and help you focus. Bose and Sony offer top-rated options. According to Deep Work by Cal Newport, minimizing distractions is key to maintaining productivity on the go. A mini projector can be a game-changer for presentations. It's compact and easy to set up anywhere. A study by Business Insider found that 40% of business travelers consider portable projectors a valuable tool. They allow you to deliver professional presentations without relying on hotel equipment. For data security, carry a portable Wi-Fi hotspot. It ensures a secure internet connection wherever you are. The importance of cybersecurity can't be overstated. A report by Norton found that 33% of travelers have experienced data breaches while on business trips. Protect your data with a reliable hotspot. A multi-port USB hub is another must-have. It allows you to charge multiple devices simultaneously. Anker and Sabrent offer highly rated models. This gadget simplifies your charging needs and keeps everything organized. Lastly, consider packing a digital notebook. It's perfect for jotting down ideas and taking notes during meetings. The Rocketbook is a popular choice because it's reusable and syncs with cloud services. According to The Organized Mind by Daniel Levitin, having a reliable note-taking system boosts productivity and keeps you organized. These tech essentials will keep you connected, productive, and ready for any business challenge that comes your way. Happy packing! 3. Compact comfort. Packing for in-flight productivity. Flying can be draining, but packing the right items can make your journey comfortable and productive. Start with noise-canceling headphones. They are not just for blocking out engine noise, but also for creating a quiet workspace. Bose and Sony make excellent options. According to a survey by Business Insider, 70% of frequent flyers swear by noise-canceling headphones for a peaceful flight. Next, pack a lightweight travel pillow. The TRTL pillow is a popular choice because it supports your neck and takes up less space than traditional pillows. Did you know that the Journal of Sleep research found that proper neck support can improve sleep quality by 20%? Don't forget a compact travel blanket. Airlines often don't provide them, especially on short flights. A lightweight, foldable blanket can keep you warm and cozy. Travel Plus Leisure suggests packing one that fits into its own pouch for easy storage. A tablet or e-reader is essential for in-flight productivity. The Kindle Paperwhite, for example, is perfect for reading documents or catching up on work without straining your eyes. According to a report by Statista, 45% of business travelers prefer tablets for their versatility and ease of use. Keep a small, organized tech pouch for all your cables and chargers. This prevents them from tangling and makes them easy to find. Marie Kondo, in her book, The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up, emphasizes that organized packing leads to a stress-free travel experience. For hydration, bring a collapsible water bottle. Staying hydrated is crucial during flights as cabin air is very dry. The Mayo Clinic recommends drinking about 8 ounces of water per hour of flight to stay properly hydrated. Pack snacks that are healthy and easy to carry. Nuts, dried fruits, and protein bars are great options. A study by Harvard Health shows that eating healthy snacks can boost your energy levels and improve concentration. Lastly, carry a travel-sized disinfectant kit. It should include hand sanitizer, disinfectant wipes, and a face mask. The CDC advises using hand sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol to reduce the risk of illness during travel. 4. Mix and match. Creating versatile business outfits. Packing versatile business outfits is a game changer for business trips. Start with neutral colors. They are easy to mix and match, creating multiple outfits from a few pieces. Black, navy, and gray are excellent choices. According to The Curated Closet by Anushka Rees, a minimalist wardrobe can save you time and stress. Next, choose multifunctional clothing. A blazer that doubles as a jacket or a dress that can be dressed up or down is ideal. The key is to pick items that are stylish yet functional. A survey by Harper's Bazaar found that 65% of business travelers prefer versatile clothing for its practicality. Layering is your best friend. Pack light sweaters and cardigans that can be layered over shirts or under blazers. This not only saves space but also allows you to adjust to different temperatures. According to fashion expert Tim Gunn, layering is the secret to a well-rounded wardrobe. Shoes can take up a lot of space, so be strategic. Pack 1 pair of dress shoes and 1 pair of comfortable, casual shoes. Choose styles that can be worn with multiple outfits. The 10-Item Wardrobe by Jennifer L. Scott suggests keeping your shoe selection simple and versatile. Accessorize wisely. Scarves, ties, and jewelry can transform your outfits. A simple scarf can add a pop of color and change the look of your outfit completely. Vogue recommends packing accessories that are lightweight but impactful. For toiletries, use travel-sized containers. The TSA allows liquids in containers of 3.4 ounces or less. This not only complies with regulations but also saves space. According to a survey by Skyscanner, 55% of travelers prefer travel-sized toiletries for convenience. Don't forget a small sewing kit. It's a lifesaver for quick fixes. A button can pop off at any time, and having a needle and thread can save the day. Travel experts on Reddit often emphasize the importance of carrying a sewing kit. Finally, pack everything in packing cubes. They help you stay organized and maximize space. The Packing Book, by Judith Guilford highlights that packing cubes are a game-changer for organized travelers. 5. Beyond business, packing for after-hours adventures. Packing for a business trip isn't just about work. You also need to think about what to wear after hours. Start with comfortable casual wear. A pair of jeans and a few casual shirts can go a long way. According to The Curated Closet, by Anushka Rees, having versatile casual pieces can make your wardrobe more adaptable. Next, pack a pair of comfortable walking shoes. Exploring a new city can mean lots of walking. According to a study by the American Podiatric Medical Association, 77% of travelers report foot pain from inadequate footwear. Choose shoes that are stylish yet comfortable. Bring a lightweight jacket. Even in warm climates, evenings can be cool. A jacket that can be dressed up or down is ideal. Travel experts often recommend a windbreaker or a casual blazer for its versatility. Include a swimsuit. Many hotels have pools, and you might want to take a dip. The CDC suggests swimming as a great way to relax and exercise while traveling. Even if you don't use it, a swimsuit doesn't take up much space. Don't forget about workout clothes. Staying fit on the road is important. Pack a set of gym clothes and a pair of running shoes. A survey by Travel Plus Leisure found that 60% of business travelers use hotel gyms. Staying active can keep you energized and focused. Pack a small backpack or tote bag. It's perfect for day trips or carrying essentials around town. According to The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up, by Marie Kondo, having a dedicated day bag can keep you organized and reduce clutter. For evening outings, pack a casual dress or a nice shirt. Something that can be worn to a nice dinner or a casual outing. Harper's Bazaar suggests packing one versatile evening outfit that can fit different occasions. Include a travel guide or app. Having information about local attractions can enhance your trip. Lonely Planet and TripAdvisor offer great resources. Knowing where to go and what to see can make your after hours more enjoyable. Finally, pack a reusable water bottle. Staying hydrated is crucial. The Mayo Clinic advises drinking plenty of water, especially when traveling. A reusable bottle is eco-friendly and ensures you always have water on hand. 6 travel-savvy hacks. Streamline your packing process. Streamlining your packing process can save you time and stress. Start with a packing list. It ensures you don't forget anything. According to a survey by Skyscanner, 54% of travelers use a packing list to stay organized. Next, use packing cubes. They help you compartmentalize your items and maximize space. Travel experts often recommend them for their ability to keep your suitcase neat and organized. The Packing Book, by Judith Guilford highlights packing cubes as a top travel hack. Roll your clothes instead of folding them. This method saves space and reduces wrinkles. A study by the American Hotel and Lodging Association found that 68% of frequent travelers prefer rolling their clothes for these reasons. Use compression bags for bulky items. They can significantly reduce the volume of your clothes. A report by Travel Plus Leisure found that 40% of travelers use compression bags to fit more in their luggage. Keep a toiletry bag packed and ready to go. Having a dedicated travel toiletry kit can save you time packing for each trip. According to Marie Kondo, pre-packing essentials reduces last-minute stress and ensures you don't forget anything. Pack multi-purpose items. For example, a sarong can be used as a scarf, blanket, or beach cover-up. The 10-Item Wardrobe, by Jennifer L. Scott suggests including versatile items that can serve multiple purposes. Use a shoe bag to keep your shoes separate from your clothes. This keeps your suitcase clean and organized. Travel experts on Reddit often emphasize the importance of using shoe bags for hygiene and organization. Pack a small first aid kit. It should include band-aids, pain relievers, and any medication you might need. According to the CDC, having a first aid kit is essential for dealing with minor injuries while traveling. Don't forget about entertainment. Pack a book, download movies, or bring a game to keep yourself entertained during downtime. According to a survey by Statista, 65% of travelers bring entertainment to make their trips more enjoyable. Lastly, always leave some space in your suitcase. You might want to bring back souvenirs or purchase items during your trip. The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up, by Marie Kondo suggests leaving some room in your luggage to avoid overpacking and stress.